Internships becoming a new hiring norm for Gen Z graduates. KIIT inaugurates Center of Excellence for Robotics and AI. KIIT World School hosts Global Gandhi Video Speech Competition Awards. Delhi University enforces strict measures against harassment during Holi. IIT Madras Pravartak and L&T launch 100 plus industry skilling programs.
Hello everyone, welcome to Education News Network. I am Arya Vidya and today's top education news are: corporate companies are shifting towards a hire after internship model, offering 3 to 6 month internships instead of direct job placements to assess candidates beyond traditional interviews. Monisha Alvila from Christ University notes that AI driven interview training makes short interviews unreliable, promoting companies to evaluate real world performances instead. Christo Jayanti College Principal Augustine George sees this as a skill building opportunity, reporting a 90% conversion rate for management and commerce students. However, concerns remain over uncertain job offers and varying stipends of 25k to 50k. IT companies have long followed this model, with PES University's Dean K.S. Sridhar confirming structured orientation programs that help students secure job post internships. The trend is shaping recruitment strategies across industries. The KIIT group of institutions and Vastup Intellect IP Solutions have launched a Center of Excellence for Robotics and AI at the KIIT campus, Yuva Srijan Kendra and Nava Srijan Kendra. The initiative bridges academia and industry, fostering innovation, research, and entrepreneurship in AI and robotics. The inauguration featured a roundtable discussion with eminent industry leaders and academicians on AI's evolving landscape, skill development, and human AI collaboration. Key topics included technology transfer, commercialization challenges, and industry academia synergy. Under the guidance of Mr. Venkatesh Bharti, the center will drive cutting edge research and empower young innovators, making a significant step towards India's AI and robotic revolution and global leadership. KIIT World School proudly hosted the Global Gandhi Video Speech Competition Award ceremony in collaboration with the Gandhian Society. The event was graced by founder chairman Sri B.R. Kamra and Dr. S.S. Agarwal, Director General of KIIT Group of Institutions. Alongside esteemed guests include Mr. Ajay Pandit, retired IS officer, Mr. Sanjay Rai, Mr. Suresh Rathi, and Mr. Rajendra from the National Youth Policy. KIIT student Avi Devgan won a consolation prize of 10,000, a certificate, a Gandhi trophy, and a shawl. The school was also honored with the prestigious Best Institution Award. The event was a proud moment for KIIT community, celebrating excellence in public speaking and Gandhian values. Delhi University has issued a strict warning against harassment and misconduct ahead of Holi, reinforcing a zero tolerance policy. Any eve teasing, derogatory remarks, or unruly behavior will lead to severe disciplinary action under university rules and Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act of 2013. To ensure campus safety, DU has partnered with the local police and its internal security team. Special police patrols and proctorial teams will monitor the premises, while hostels and hall entries will be strictly controlled. Contact details for campus security and control rooms have been provided for immediate assistance. Students are urged to report issue promptly to ensure a safe and inclusive Holi celebration. IIT Madras Pravartak Technologies Foundation, in collaboration with the L&T EduTech, has introduced over 100 industry skilling joint certification programs to equip students and professionals with essential engineering and technology skills. The curriculum, developed by L&T industry experts, covers civil, mechanical, electrical, chemical, and electronics and communication engineering and emerging technologies such as AI, IoT, robotics industry 4.0, hydrogen technology, and digitization. The courses are self-paced, interactive e-learning modules with automated assessments providing flexibility for learners. Certifications are jointly recognized by the IIT Pravartak and L&T EduTech. Key trending programs include robotics in manufacturing, edge AI, and next-gen energy storage. More details and enrollment links are available at theedutech.com. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Arya Vidya. For more such detailed news, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to share, comment, and like to our videos and subscribe to our channel.